Humans have always been fascinated by flight. We looked to the birds and dreamed of soaring above the clouds. Early inventors tried to replicate bird flight with wings and gliders, but it wasn't until the invention of the airplane that our dreams truly took off. Today, we continue to push the boundaries of flight with incredible machines. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are rapidly changing our world. From delivering packages to exploring distant planets, drones are poised to revolutionize countless industries. Drones offer a glimpse into the future of technology. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. We'll explore the evolution of drones, from their military origins to their growing role in civilian life. We'll delve into the technology that makes them work and examine the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Fasten your seatbelts, it's going to be a fascinating ride. So what exactly is a drone? Simply put, a drone is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. They are also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, or remotely piloted aircraft, RPAs. Drones come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny quadcopters that fit in the palm of your hand to large, sophisticated aircraft used for military operations. What sets drones apart is their ability to be controlled remotely. A human operator can pilot a drone from a ground control station using a computer joystick and live video feed. Some advanced drones can even fly autonomously, following pre-programmed flight paths or using artificial intelligence to navigate their surroundings. This flexibility and versatility make drones incredibly useful for a wide range of applications. We'll explore these applications in more detail later. The story of drones begins in the early 20th century, amidst the turmoil of World War I. The military quickly recognized the potential of unmanned aircraft for reconnaissance and bombing missions. One of the earliest examples was the Kettering bug, a torpedo-shaped drone developed by the US Army. While it never saw combat, the Kettering bug paved the way for future drone development. During World War II, both sides used radio-controlled drones for target practice and aerial photography. However, these early drones were limited by their technology. They were often unreliable and difficult to control. Despite these limitations, the seeds of drone warfare had been sown. The Cold War saw rapid advancements in drone technology, driven by the need for surveillance and intelligence gathering. The turning point for drone warfare came in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. Advances in computing power, sensor technology, and communication systems led to the development of highly capable UAVs. Drones like the Predator and Reaper became synonymous with modern warfare. These armed drones could stay aloft for hours, providing real-time surveillance and carrying out precision strikes with minimal risk to human pilots. The use of drones in warfare has been a subject of much debate. Proponents argue that drones reduce civilian casualties and allow for more targeted operations. Critics raise concerns about the ethics of remote warfare and the potential for collateral damage. Regardless of one's stance, there's no denying that drones have fundamentally changed the face of modern warfare. A civilian revolution. Drones take flight in new industries. Drones have a long history in military applications, but the 21st century has seen their rapid adoption in the civilian sector. Advances in technology and mass production have made drones affordable and versatile. Farmers use drones to monitor crops and apply pesticides with precision. Filmmakers get stunning aerial shots, revolutionizing cinematography. Companies like Amazon explore drones for faster, efficient delivery. Drones inspect critical infrastructure, identifying potential issues. Equipped with thermal cameras, drones aid in search and rescue. The potential for civilian drones is vast and ever-evolving. Under the hood, understanding drone technology. To truly appreciate drones, it's helpful to understand the technology that makes them tick. Key components include the frame, motors, propellers, battery, flight controller, sensors, communication system, and payload. The frame provides structural integrity. Motors and propellers generate lift and control movement. The battery powers the drone. The flight controller is the brain processing data and sending commands. Sensors provide information about altitude, orientation, speed and location. The communication system links the drone to the ground control station. The payload includes equipment like cameras or delivery mechanisms. This interplay of components allows drones to perform tasks with precision and agility. Drones in action, transforming delivery and medicine. Drones are revolutionizing delivery and medicine. Companies like Amazon, Google and UPS are investing heavily in drone delivery networks. Drones can bypass traffic and deliver packages directly, reducing delivery times. In medicine, drones deliver vital supplies to remote areas, improving access to healthcare. They also aid in emergency response, providing real-time situational awareness. As technology advances, expect more groundbreaking applications in the future. The future is autonomous AI and the next generation of drones. The future of drone technology is inextricably linked to the development of artificial intelligence. AI-powered drones will be capable of autonomous navigation. AI algorithms will enable drones to navigate complex environments without human intervention, avoiding obstacles, adapting to changing conditions, and making real-time decisions. Object recognition and tracking. AI-powered computer vision will allow drones to recognize and track objects such as vehicles, people or infrastructure with high accuracy, enhancing their capabilities for surveillance, inspection and delivery. Data analysis and decision-making. Drones equipped with AI will be able to collect and analyze vast amounts of data from their sensors, providing valuable insights for various industries, from agriculture to construction. This fusion of drones and AI will unlock a new era of autonomous systems, capable of performing tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of humans. However, this technological leap also raises important ethical and societal questions that we must address as a society. Navigating the challenges, regulations, safety and privacy in the drone age. The rapid proliferation of drones presents a unique set of challenges that we must address to ensure their safe and responsible integration into our airspace and society. Some of the key challenges include regulation. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate the use of drones to ensure safety and security while fostering innovation. Key considerations include airspace management, drone registration, pilot licensing, and operational restrictions. Safety. Ensuring the safety of drone operations is paramount, especially as drones share the airspace with manned aircraft and operate in close proximity to people and property. Technical safeguards, robust testing procedures, and clear operational guidelines are crucial for mitigating risks. Privacy. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors raise concerns about privacy and data security. Establishing clear guidelines for data collection, storage, and use is essential for addressing these concerns and building public trust in drone technology. Addressing these challenges requires a collaborative effort between governments, industry stakeholders, and the public. Open dialogue, informed policymaking, and responsible innovation are essential for harnessing the transformative potential of drones while mitigating potential risks. To infinity and beyond. Drones in space exploration. The reach of drones extends far beyond our planet. Space agencies like NASA are increasingly relying on drones for space exploration. The low gravity and lack of atmosphere on other celestial bodies make them ideal environments for drone operations. One shining example is NASA's Ingenuity helicopter, which made history in 2021 by becoming the first powered aircraft to fly on another planet. Ingenuity's success paved the way for future drone missions to Mars and beyond. Drones offer several advantages for space exploration, cost-effective exploration. Drones are significantly cheaper to develop and operate than traditional rovers, allowing for more frequent and ambitious missions. Enhanced mobility. Drones can access areas that are difficult or impossible for rovers to reach, such as steep canyons, cliffs, and caves. Scientific data collection. Equipped with scientific instruments, drones can collect valuable data about the geology, atmosphere, and potential for life on other planets and moons. As we venture further into the cosmos, drones will undoubtedly play an increasingly important role in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it.